Magandang buhay mga kasimanwa. Ayan, nandito na naman ako sa aming garden. Kakatapos ko lang magtrabaho. Medyo malamig-lamig ang panahon dito sa amin, guys. Yung buhok ko. Right, so mag-harvest kami kung ano-ano lang kasi wala na kaming gulay sa bahay. Andyan si Joe. Ayan, andyan si Joe. What are you doing?
Pulling out the weed.
The weed? Ayun, lalaki na ng ano. Is the garbage this one, yeah?
Cabbage and Brussels sprouts.
Which one is Brussels sprouts? That tall one, I guess.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
The cabbage, the one that's making the
Oh
ball.
my God, the corn. Have corn now.
Oh yeah.
Ayan, guys. Oh,
And
yung...
you take these and touch, so they're gonna.
So you do it.
So they're gonna
Pollinate.
That's the one.
Ayan, magpo-pollinate daw si Joe. Oh, I don't like that.
Right, too much pollen.
Yeah. Oh, that's why. Wow, so strong. So strong.
This one looks like it's already got a corn coming.
Yeah, but it's so strong. Ayan guys, ano, gilok. Gilok tawag niyan eh. It's very strong. Magpo-pollinate daw siya. Ayan. Done. Alright, so mag-ano ako, mag-harvest. Wala na yung strawberry iba. Panibago na naman to. Panibagong mga bulaklak. Ayan. Panibagong bunga kasi naubos na siya. Nakain ko kagabi yung last. Ayan, daming ano, marigold oh. Galing. Ganang bulaklak. Ganda. Ayan, yung mga aming dahon-dahon. Yan.
And the broad beans must be ready now.
No.
You have a look.
Yeah,
Otherwise
I'm
there'll
going
be
in.
nothing left.
Yeah, can I have my, I put my stuff here. Yan, may jacket ako kasi malamig. Kuhanin ko yung, yan. Dito muna tingnan natin. Kasi, ang gaganda na ng ano, yan. Manguha ako ng, ito muna yung honey ko. Ito, harvest ko to kasi dinadala ko ito sa yung iba, dadalhin sa restaurant, guys. Ayan, ito muna yung mga bulaklak. Masarap
look at this
to.
purple one now.
You have purple as well?
This one.
Oh yeah, I don't know what is that. I think it's a weed.
Yeah, it's a weed, but I keep it because it looks beautiful.
Yeah. So, ayan, mayroong dill. Ayan. Laman loob. Ay, laman loob. Laman tiyan din yan. Ayan. So, harvest tayo. Namumulaklak na yung dill, oh. Ito, namumulaklak na siya. Ayan, hindi na nakikita yung init. Kaya, ayan, maliit lang siya. Haharvestin ko na to, guys, kasi yan, kinakain na ng uod. Ay, ayan, oh, sayang, oh. Ayan. I can't see if there is any in here. Because it's covered by the sun. Ayan. Ayan, harvest na lang yan. Maliit na crochet. Hindi na lalaki siguro to. They're not gonna go bigger. Kinakain na sila. Ayan. Hindi na pwede.
It's too small.
Yeah, because I told you have to dig it underneath. But you don't dig. Ayan, napuno na kasi ng kamatis, oh. Ayan, puro kamatis. Ayan, ito, mag-harvest din ako nito. Can you help me, please?
Hang on, I gotta put the water.
Ayan. This one, I gonna harvest. Just two. That's it. That's it.
No, so you gotta pot these somewhere and get these because they're going to.
This one is dying. Which one? It's not gonna.
It's lettuce.
No, it's not. Leave it in tomorrow, cause
Got a plateau.
yeah.
This one, behind the green one here.
Which one? Hang on, give me a minute. Where? Yeah, but
Or this one.
yeah, I will do that because that's a right. And
the broccoli is flowering.
oh no, and you cut that off.
Harvest now.
Yeah. This one. Ayan, harvest ng. Ayan, namumulaklak na yung aming. Ayan, namumulaklak na siya. Pero pwede pa rin kainin yan. Put in there. Yan. Those ones needs to take out.
Which one?
This.
The net?
No, the lettuce.
Oh. Yeah, you can get here. You want me to pull it out?
Yes, please.
All of them?
No, the big ones only, not the small
At
one.
the back?
Yeah. Ayan guys, oh. And then can you water a lot so that
Yeah.
they can go bigger. Yeah. Don't. Ayan. Yeah, it's enough. Because we only have a small fridge. I
Courgette.
done it.
Oh, there's some of this other side as well.
Yeah, it's not much. Ayan.
And the flowers for jam.
Yeah, tomorrow. I have some of in here, but there's so many in there.
Oh, it's a beautiful flower here, purple.
Yeah, I know what is it. Ayan, ito maliit at dalawa. Yeah, I don't know what is that. I'm not gonna eat
Oh,
it.
look at the dill.
Yeah. Have a flower as well. Is that the
Pick
dill?
some. Yeah.
Is that the flower? Is a dill or
I don't know that. It's chamomile, I think.
is it?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, I kept picking that up and then
Or maybe it's dill.
yeah, I don't know. I don't understand that's the flower like that. I didn't see the flower of dill like that before, so I'm not too sure. But before I harvest and then we eat it, so it's fine. There is
It doesn't taste of anything to me.
there is a poison as well like that, yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
It tastes like almonds.
Ah. Can you open the gate, please?
Yeah, some more broccoli to pick there, bun.
Yeah. Oh, can you pick for me
Shall I
the
do it?
broccoli? Yeah. The stem broccoli. Yeah. Yeah, that's a stem. Oh no, more down, more down.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Well, you like that stem?
yeah, because that's my favorite.
Oh, you know the turnips, you can eat the leaves as well.
Yeah, many times she told me. Yeah, this is. Can you cut long? Because it won't. Please, because it's my favorite one. Ayan, paborito ko to, guys.
More?
Mahal to eh. Yeah, there's more in there. Pag binili mo, mahal. And this one here, we're gonna have some fish tonight.
I leave those in small.
Yeah. Ito bukas ko na mag-harvest. Tomorrow I'm gonna harvest some of this.
Oh, I leave that one.
Yeah, this one here.
I pull out these ones that flowered and then I can plant something else. These,
Which one? Which one?
all these things.
Can you wait for me tomorrow to harvest?
Why? What is there? There's nothing to harvest.
Yeah, there's the leaves in there.
Only a couple.
No, it's not. Yeah.
I want to plant some seeds.
Can you plant some this side? Because here is nothing. Yeah.
Oh, it's
Okay, I'm
here.
I'm gonna harvest this tomorrow. I don't know if you. Oh, yeah. Got some few radish. It's turnips, isn't it? It's not right. Yeah, see? If you put more water here, see? It's nice. Look. Look, Joe. It's bigger. No, this one, because before you don't water them properly. Now you water properly, they're more. And this one is bigger. Here. Ayan, malaki siya, guys. Ayan. Kasi maraming tubig na, may tubig na siya. Dati, walang tubig. Hindi niya kasi na tubigan ng marami. Ayan. So, ayan. Any potato to harvest? Ayan, no, meron. Do you think?
They're going yellow though. Yeah, they're falling, but they're not going yellow.
Oh, there is
I
a.
think August usually the main crop, or end of July.
Oh, there's one coming out. I think someone been here, Joe.
Why?
Look, maybe the rabbit's
No,
been
not
here.
to see, I just put my hand in and see.
Oh, yeah, there's big one here.
What about the skin?
Yeah,
But
it's
first you have to chop the thing off and leave them in the earth for 2 days so the skin goes hard.
oh
Chop the plant off.
no, it's big. I think there's something eating them. See?
Oh yeah.
Can you chop now? Cause
This
look,
one.
only this.
This one.
Yeah.
And then this one in the compost.
Yeah.
What else? The other
Yeah,
one.
the whole thing. So
Oh,
last
you got a
one.
basket full.
Yeah, ayan na guys. So marami na akong harvest. Nanguha ako ng zucchini. Si Jo manguha ng chives. Kasi lagay niya daw sa kanyang palapaw bukas.
That'll be enough, won't it?
More if you like. Ayan. Nagpapakain siya ng fertilizer sa mga just put on the top.
Yeah.
Sa mga kanyang mga gulay. So, we're going and I'll see you at home.
Oh, can you take the basket? Because I got a lot of things
Yeah,
to
I
carry.
am. Just
Fine.
can you just take the scissor with you?
Yeah.
Okay. The flowers is beautiful, isn't it? This one, guys, so grabe, daming bulaklak. Nakain yan, nakain. So, Joe, your harvest.
Your harvest is
Your,
fine.
yeah, vegetables.
Got to come back for more. There's so much to pick now.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Right, so
Some cute little courgettes.
Yeah.
They're the tasty ones than the small ones.
yeah, they are.
Yeah.
I think it's more tasty than the big one, isn't it?
Yeah. Because the bigger they get, the more diluted the flavour.
Yeah.
So it's
Because
they say best to pick small, and then the last ones you let them grow big into marrows.
So
That's fine.
what are you feeding the? You're gonna feed the
Liquid
seaweed.
Yeah.
Liquid seaweed. Ayan, yun o. Nilalagyan niya ng ano guys. Ng liquid seaweed daw. Let me see.
Liquid seaweed concentrate.
So that's
Most of it you don't have to because it's already got so much manure and compost.
so why didn't you?
But just tomatoes and some are heavy feeders. Just give a bit of extra food,
Oh, okay.
nutrients. Maybe the strawberries because they had the same compost for 3 years, but they still produce lots of strawberries.
Yeah, I think you need to put that in a bigger space.
Yeah. After there's no more fruits, I'll plant them in the ground.
Oh, yes, please.
So that the runners, they're gonna make more plants.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's my favorite one.
Yeah.
If you can do that. So that's organic, yeah, that food.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Yeah. So are you feeding strawberry first?
Strawberry in that corner over there. Try not to
I
give
said I'm going
up.
back.
These are the new ones. From the
Oh yeah,
from the
that's
seeds.
good. Maybe you taking that out and then spread out, so that the how you call that, the fruit is bigger.
Yeah.
Right. I'm going now.
Okay.
See ya.